Hey, I'm Carolyn from the Apparel Mentor. So, say you're starting a brand and you really want to stand out and you want to use some custom trims. A great way to do that would be to use them across multiple styles. So, I like to buy from a brand called Lucy & Yak, and they do a lot of denim and twill pants, and they also do jackets, and they use the same button on all of them with their branding, and it's very fun, and you always know that they're gonna have these nice sturdy branded buttons on all their garments. And the same goes for another brand, but they, instead of having their brand name, have their little logo symbol, which is a little happy sun. His little eyelash is closed. So usually when you're buying custom trims, you have to buy within their MOQ or their minimum. But if you can put them across multiple styles, then you can get a great amount of use out of them, and then you don't have to worry so much about that MOQ. Obviously, check if it's within your budget, but I think it's a great way to stand out from the crowd. So, hope that helps.